Hi guys, in this video I will share with you my experience with Xiaomi phone on the Miui 13 global shell. I will show the function on Xiaomi phone that I use. If I took a photo on a cloudy day, you can turn on the clear day feature or change the sky to another. And you can also turn on the dynamic sky function and the sky comes to life. If there is no place to charge your smartphone on the road, then you can use the mode Ultra Battery Saver, and the smartphone will be able to work much longer on a single charge. If I need high smartphone performance for a game, I can turn it on. Every day I have many tasks, and on the Xiaomi phone you do not need to install additional programs. To-do list can be added in Notes and set the execution of the task and the reminder. Quick access to Note and the task can be enabled in the settings. On some Xiaomi phone, you can measure the pulse using your phone's camera and flash. If there is no smartwatch, then this function will be useful. If you need to make a note with a drawing, Xiaomi smartphone also allow you to do this. And on Xiaomi smartphone in Miui, if you need to process the video, then the video editor is already installed. What features do you like most on Xiaomi phone? Write in the comments.